This is our, I think, 11th day of quarantine, and we're so bored. We're doing an experiment. We may cut up the sausages and croissant, and we'd like to see if the birds of the air is gonna come. Maybe from there, the birds will come. Come on, birds. Come and eat your food. Right here. Wow, we had a bird already. Within how many minutes? Like a few minutes, right?
Yeah.
There is
Is
a
that
bird.
the bird you saw, or is it?
Yeah, wait, let me, the beak has to be yellow. Yeah, isn't it yellow beak?
Is it?
I don't know. Why is he hesitating though?
Because he want to make sure it's safe. He want to make sure it's not going to get eaten.
Wow, he is so smart. Come on, bird. So I'm zooming in. I'm not even approaching him. Wow, smart bird. Oh! He just went without eating.
He's marking, I think, and then...
Okay, he's playing with us, okay?
Okay, well, about an hour went by after the initial contact. The bird decided not to eat our food. Well, it proves a point. Even bird rejected our food. I loved it. Well, maybe Jenny's right. Food wasn't all that. I have a scientific proof. Quarantine food is not even edible to birds in Phnom Penh. Okay, bye.